Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a great time there. And Christmas time is usually a busy time for our family. On Christmas Eve, we get to open a few presents, and on Christmas, we prepare a yummy brunch. And then later on, I get busy for the next day's preparations because right after Christmas is my hubby's birthday. So I hope you enjoy these moments with us, and let's get started with the video. So here is a brunch that we had a little late on Christmas morning, as kids always go to bed late the previous night. So the kids will talk about their presents a little later in this video. But before that, I hope you try out this breakfast for your family. We have always wanted to prepare biscuits and gravy, and today here I am preparing a vegetarian version of the gravy. So for the biscuits, I have about 1 cup of flour here, and then 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and some salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So the butter is taken right from the fridge, so it should be good and chilled, and then using your hands you can just mash the butter into the flour to adding about 1 tablespoon of oil and about 1/3 cup of buttermilk. You can form the dough, and then later on you can just divide it into 4 equal parts and then bake it in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. And then later on to the gravy part, so here I got these vegetarian sausages. So I just diced it, and then in a cast iron pan I sauteed it. So this vegetarian sausage is basically made from potatoes, and once the thing is nicely cooked, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of flour, that is Maida, that I've added. So just sprinkle it and then cook for a minute or so, and then I'm adding some milk. Just sprinkle pepper and salt for taste, and then let it boil for a few minutes. And once the gravy is nice and thick, you can remove it from the stove and keep it warm. And by the time the biscuits also will be cooked, and then you can I also decided to make some omelets. So I cracked about 2 eggs, and then I sprinkled salt, pepper, red chili flakes, and some oregano and dried coriander as well, and then made the omelette. Here goes the hot cocoa recipe. So for this hot cocoa, this turned out amazing, and you should definitely try this. Whenever you make hot cocoa next time, try to use cocoa nibs into the drink. It tasted so good. The rich taste of the cocoa nibs, as well as if you like the cocoa flavor, you would definitely enjoy. Rather than just adding cocoa powder or chocolate, try adding 1/4 cup of cocoa nibs along with 1/4 cup of chocolate to 1 cup of milk. And then you can add cinnamon as well. Here I skipped cinnamon, but this drink turned out so good. The kids just enjoyed it. So add freshly ground 1/4 cup of cocoa nibs and 1/4 cup of chocolate and about 1/4 cup of maple syrup to this, and also vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And try this recipe out, guys. I really hope you had a wonderful day as well. Let me know in the comments down below what you did for this Christmas and what your plans for the new year are. So for this Christmas, this time we completely skipped the dining area and we decided to sit on the floor, have this breakfast or brunch rather. It was around 11:30ish this time when we had this, and we also had some toast, a piece of toast and some cheese as well, along with a few blueberries to go with our brunch today. It was such a good scenery outside. and actually a completely different scene from the routine that itself made this Christmas day so special for us.
Maida. Yeah, Christmas tree ride. Hooray! Yay! So these are all the presents that I got, and first I'm going to start with the camera, and it's my favorite one, and it's the first present that I opened. Here's a camera, and then it's a digital video camera, and there's a case for it, a charger, and 2 batteries. 1 battery is on the camera. And there's also an instruction. I'll show it. So this is a camera. You hold it by putting your hand in here. Open the screen, and it says welcome. Then take a video like this. If you want it to point you, you turn this thing anti-clockwise and it points you. And also, first I saw this battery part and I was like so surprised because it doesn't have any protection and it's actually the part of the body. And when you switch it off, it says bye-bye. So the second present is Stack Attack. So this was my favorite one actually because there's a bell on. There's these cards. There's 4 blocks, 6 blocks, and 8 blocks. 8 blocks is the hardest. So see these colors? Each of the people get 8 blocks and you have to put it arranging the colors. And when you're done, you ring the bell. And whoever is done first, they are the winner. So me and my mom tried 4 and 6, and 4 my mom always won, and 6 I won like 2 times or something. So yeah, this is the Stack Attack. Facebook. So I've had lots of space books, but they're much thinner and I know all the information in those. And this is a very thick space book. It's a Smithsonian Museum. We went there once. And it says the universe as you've never seen it before. There's a lot of information, and if you like space a lot, this would be a good book for you. So this is another present that I got, and now this was the last present that I opened actually. So it's a PJ Masks one. My friends love it, like the thing in Netflix. So here's the microphone. You attach it here. And there's an FM. And then here's a new one. And I can sing. Hello! Okay. So that's the next present. Then I'll say this ping pong thing. And then, but you have to hold it like this and there's no back. You switch this on. Damn, and it's ages 8+, and there's a lot of wires, and then you can make some space rovers, space dog, astronaut, space rover, space explorer, space dog, space shuttle, and space station. One of my relatives gave it to me, and it's a space fleet, and I think I'm building this one right now, the solar panels. So I have this attached to solar panel. It has a wire. And they also made this space dogs thing. And there's stickers for decoration. Basically with all these pieces, you can make all these stuff. And you can learn how the space station and everything works. So this is the jumbling tower. So when I went to my grandparents' house, my dad's brother gave one of these to me, but when we left there, this jumbling tower was still there, so I couldn't play with it. But now for Christmas, I got a new one. And when I played this with my sister Anjali, she always wins. So those are all the things that I got for Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Hi guys, So this is my baby Adeline, and she's wearing her new clothes that she got. So this is one cloth, and I'll show you in a little bit in my other clothes that I got. So does she look different? She does, right? Because she's wearing her new clothes. And next I'm going to show you my jelly bean machine. So this is my jelly bean machine. You got to turn this and some jelly beans will come out. That's only when I'm being very good. I get one jelly bean. And then, let me put my baby right here. And then I have this cupboard. I got it because I'll just keep my clothes all over the place and it will not be nice. Some clothes will be lost. So my mom and dad gave me this so I can put on my clothes inside. So there's some hearts here. Let me open it and show you. So these are all the other clothes that I got. And so these are the clothes. Most of them are not clothes. Some other things are right here. So first I'll show you these. So these are plastic bottles, but these are carrot juice. So, and this is milk. So I love the milk and the carrot juice because I never know there will be this bottle. So I'll show you when I'm feeding. And the milk goes. Then the milk will come back. So that's the bottles. And then I have this. They're in this kind of hangers. And this is a heart. Green, blue, and pink hearts. She can wear this when it's rainy because it has some umbrellas on it. So yeah. That's all my 3 hanger clothes. And many of you know I was saying that I need a lot of clothes and stuff. So my mom and dad gave me some diapers. I was saying that too. So my mom gave me diapers right here. Then last clothes I'm going to show you is this. You put it on the diaper. In the other clothes, I'll put it in the description box so you can check out these clothes. And then the last thing that I got is this kind of mirror. So it's really nice now. Without asking my mom's mirror, I can use this mirror. And this is a big face. So we used to do like, I am a big face, I am a small face. It's my mom's mirror, but now, because I got this mirror, I can share it with my brother and do this. And yeah, that's the mirror. I hope you loved all my things for Christmas and Christmas Eve. And I love you, and I hope you love yourself. And then I hope you got baby dresses and get your baby a bath and all those things that you can do. And Merry Christmas for all of you. I hope Santa gave you presents too.
Later on, as I had mentioned before, I was getting ready for the next day's meal prep. We were planning for a simple traditional Kerala lunch. So things needed to get started today so that it is easier for me the next day. So I was just taking the grated coconut out and thought of making some paste, chop some veggies and keep things ready. So here I have the long beans, carrots, plantains. So we are making the plantain chips, the Kerala banana chips. So I thought we'll make it in the air fryer today. So slice the plantains really thin and chopped it into kind of quarter sized pieces and kept the air fryer for preheating at 350 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes, and then added the salt and turmeric, coated it well, and just a few drops of oil. And then when you keep it in the air fryer, try to make it not stick to each other, if you know what I mean, because once it sticks together, that part doesn't get cooked very well. So try to separate the pieces and keep it as much as possible. Like 1 or 2 slices are fine, but if many things stack upon each other, it doesn't cook that well. So otherwise, these air fried banana chips are excellent. They turn very crispy. So I keep it for 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And then for the dry sabji I was preparing with this. So I just sliced these ivy gourd or kovikya in Malayalam. Just sliced them and then kept it. And then needed the ash gourd for preparing olen. So just chop the ash gourd separately for olen and avial. And for this is the avial bowl that you're seeing, just the beans, carrots and ash gourds here. And for the olen, ash gourds, long beans. I just kept it in 2 separate bowls, and here you can see the crispy air fried banana chips. I also ended up frying some long beans. I just love this when we get the traditional Onam Sadhya. And then for preparing the paste, that makes it very easy to prepare the lunches, right? Everything needs a coconut paste in Kerala dishes. So here I have cumin seeds, ginger, mustard and green chilies along with grated coconut. So the coconut had thawed well, and then I just kept the paste ready. With a little bit of water, I blended it. And then later on when you cook the curry, you can always add more water. So just the thick coconut paste, I kept it in these mason jars, and 2 different mason jars for 2 different curries. We were making a pineapple one also, the pineapple pachadi. So for that also I kept separately. So I also wanted to prepare the roasted coconut paste for the next day's breakfast. So I was just roasting the coconut along with cumin seeds and red chili and coriander seeds as well. That is for the kadla curry, the chickpeas curry, the black chickpeas curry. And here what I'm preparing is a tomato paste. So both these, this is the roasted coconut paste gravy and the tomato paste, both are for the chickpeas, black chickpeas. And here I am just turning the pineapple leaves and just chopping the pineapples for the pineapple pachadi as I had mentioned. So keeping all this ready makes kind of the next day a little more easier. And definitely stay tuned for the next day's vlog, as I'm going to be doing a birthday vlog for my husband, and along with the recipes I would be sharing as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a like, and please do subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and click on the bell notification icon so that you know whenever I post the next video, which is going to be soon up. So I will see you all then. Take care and bye bye.